How does homeopathy work? Hi, my name is Angela and I'm into all things homeopathy. This question was in response to the snoring remedy, Sanguinaria 200. The recommendation is to take that twice a day, so once in the morning and once in the evening. When I used it on my husband, it worked pretty quick. It worked that night. His snoring was way less, and I think we ended up using it like a couple nights in a row, and his snoring went away pretty quick. He just walked down the stairs. So recently his snoring has come back a bit. We might need to use it again. But ideally what homeopathy is doing is uprooting the condition. So really you take it until the issue is resolved and then you stop taking it. Sometimes you might have to take a maintenance dose or go at it again, but usually once it's resolved, it's done and you don't have to take the remedies anymore. So another interesting thing about homeopathy is that it actually doesn't matter how much of the remedy you take at one time. It's the same thing. It's an energy medicine. So the analogy is kind of like you can light a fire with 10 matches or you can light it with one match. It's going to do the same thing. So a lot of the remedy bottles will say, take 5 pellets as a dose or something different, but we just take one and it works for us. So to wrap that up, the snoring protocol is Sanguinaria 200 taken twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, and then we take 1 pellet as a dose. So as long as things are either staying the same or getting better, you can keep taking the remedy until you reach that desired point, which is no more snoring. If things start getting worse or unrelated symptoms pop up, that's your body saying, this is not the remedy that I need. Let's stop and reassess. You can check out the link in my bio for that remedy at the Amazon store. I don't think you can get this one at Sprouts, so you will need to get it from either Amazon or another reputable homeopathic pharmacy. Follow for more homeopathy tips.